This challenge is called Looky Here. It's a medium-level challenge from the forensics category from the picoCTF 2022 event. The description says, attackers have hidden information in a very large mass of data in the past. Maybe they are still doing it. Download the data here. And here is a link. So what we can do to start the challenge is we can right-click on the link and select Copy Link Address. And then we can go over to our web shell and we can create a directory for this challenge. So it's going to be mkdir and then Lookey. And then we can enter the directory. And then we're going to use wget to download the file. So it's wget and then space. And then we're going to use the keyboard shortcut to paste in the link. It's going to be Control-Shift-V to paste in the file, and then hit enter to download the file. So we see here we have this file anthem.flag.txt. If we use the file command on this, we'll see that it says Unicode text, and this is just a bunch of text. So we can use the cat command to read the file, and we see this has, it looks like some sort of story, but they say that there's a flag hidden in here. So what we can do when we run the cat command is that we can try using the grep command to pull out a certain phrase. In this case, we can try pulling out the CTF flag. And so we can use grep, and then we can search for the pattern pico, because all of the picoCTF flags start with the word pico. So we're going to read the file, and then we're going to pass that over to the grep command using the pipe. And we're going to search for this term right here, pico. So when we run the command, we see that the flag is hidden in this line over here. So all we need to do now is highlight the flag, copy it, then go back to the challenge description page, and in the flag to submission field, paste in the flag and click on Submit Flag, and then we're finished.
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button. And if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.